Hello to the team at Footprints Floors. My name is Jeff Bradley, and I wanted to make you this video to show you some really simple things you can do to your website that will greatly impact your Google ranking. So I checked, and using the search words hardwood flooring Everett, I found that you are on page 7, and you're about halfway down. There you are, got you highlighted. However, according to Google, 92% of people who search on Google, they never look past page 1, and it gets even worse than that after page 2 or 3. So being on page 7, that is a huge percentage of people not seeing you. So we need to get you bumped up in the rankings and ultimately onto page 1, which will automatically multiply times 10 at least the number of people who will see you. And here is how we can get you headed in that direction. Now, the first thing that Google looks at when ranking a website is the title tag. These blue lines of text are the title tags, and here's yours. The title tag tells Google what it is that you want to rank for. It's also telling Google that these are the very search words that you want people to use to find you with. Now, the problem I see here is that nobody searching for your services would ever even know to put your business's name in a search. So, and then moving on from left to right, we see no one would ever type in top flooring installation, even if they were looking for installation. But in this case, we're discussing hardwood flooring, and we'll get back to installation in a minute. But I want to show you how critically important it is to actually get the right keywords in the title tag. If I copy your title tag word for word, open up a new tab, and paste it into the search bar, paste and go, watch what happens. Boom. In my new search, using the keywords that you are telling Google you want to be found with, you are number 1 on page 1 of my new search. In fact, you're dominating page 1. Woo, look at that. These are all different pages to your website. This is how critically important this is to get the correct search words in here. Now, this leads directly into a second issue that I want to touch on real quickly, which is the second thing that Google looks at when trying to rank you, and that is your website's H1. And that is a line of text on your website that also contains the search words that you want people to use to find you with. And your H1 needs to match exactly your title tag. Now let's go back to your website. I'm going to open up this scanning tool, and we're going to find out that right now you have 2 H1s. So anytime you have more than one, that just confuses Google. Google doesn't know what to do with that. So that is confusion issue number 1 with Google. And confusion issue number 2 is that, well, one of these H1s doesn't match at all what you have in your title tag. And the second one does. But again, it's got words in here that no one would ever use in their search, most likely. Now, when all of this is going on together, it means Google doesn't know exactly what it is that you want to rank for. And when that happens, Google consequently can't or doesn't know who to direct to you, and will instead red flag and demote your website. So what we want to do is create a crystal clear channel of communication between your website and the Google algorithm. And not only between your website, but between each individual page on your website, which leads me to a suggestion that I have regarding your services page and your site hierarchy and the structure of it. If we were to create or have individual pages for each one of these services, with each one of these pages having its own title tag, and the title tag containing the keyword that you want to rank for, hardwood installation for this page, vinyl installation for this page, laminate installation for this page, and each page having its own matching H1 for each one of these. This would go a long way to creating that crystal clear channel of communication between each one of these pages and the Google algorithm. And I think this would have a dramatic effect on the ranking of each one of these pages of your website. And of course, this applies to your Bellingham listing as well. We would duplicate your entire Everett page onto your Bellingham page, and everywhere that refers to Everett, we would swap that out for Bellingham. And so this would establish for both locations a crystal clear channel of communication between that page and all your pages and the Google algorithm. So if you'd like to know more about this, I know it can be kind of overwhelming when looking at it in an overview, but if you'd like to know more about any of this, I would be happy to answer all your questions. That's what I do. I get businesses ranked onto page 1 of Google and ultimately into the top 3 spots, which will automatically triple or quadruple your monthly revenue. So that's how powerful it is to be on the top of page 1 of Google. So just reply back and let me know. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you're having a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye now.